Sponsored by Senior Advisory Group.
Hi, I'm Steve Stern, President of Senior Advisory Group, and I would personally like to invite you to take a little bit of your time to increase your income. We come on out to Scottsdale, Arizona, so we can show you how to dramatically increase your income without increasing your efforts.
For more information, visit senioradvisorygroup.com.
A Wealth Counsel and Trusts and Estates magazine industry trends survey shows the majority of estate planning attorneys oppose repeal of the estate tax. The survey found that 63% of estate planning attorneys oppose repeal. Of those who oppose repeal, 60% cite the need to address budget deficits. Another 35% say that letting the estate tax lapse would be a way for Congress to raise revenue without acting affirmatively. And 32% of estate planning lawyers who oppose estate tax repeal say they view the tax as a windfall tax imposed on wealthy beneficiaries who did not earn their wealth. The survey also found that business increased in 2010 for many respondents, despite the weak economy. 46% say they experienced an increase in business compared to 40% in 2009. 49% say they expect business to increase 20% or more in the next 5 years. Fidelity's donor-advised gift fund gained a record number of contributions in 2010. Fidelity says that donors to its gift fund made more than 353,000 grants, totaling over $1.2 billion, to nonprofits last year. The total number of grants rose 19% from the previous year, and the total amount invested rose 14%. The fund's incoming charitable contributions topped $1.6 billion for the year. 2010 also marked the 6th straight year in which the gift fund accepted more than $1 billion in contributions from donors. Contributions consisting of appreciated securities accounted for 50% of incoming contributions for the year, and the number of contributions in the form of non-publicly traded assets nearly tripled. A Center for Retirement Research at Boston College study shows baby boomers are set to inherit $11.6 trillion from their parents and other relatives. According to the study, boomers already have received $2.4 trillion in inheritances and $1 trillion in wealth transfers from living donors. And they are expected to receive an additional $6 trillion in inheritances and $2.2 trillion from living donors. However, if the economic downturn persists, these numbers could reduce by as much as $800 billion. Approximately 1 in 6 boomer households have received an inheritance, and 2/3 of boomer households will receive inheritance in the future. The wealthiest 10% are expected to receive $1.5 million in inheritance on average, and the least wealthy 10% are expected to receive $27,000 on average. For more industry spotlights, visit producersweb.com.